this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix DoorDash payment not showing up after delivery. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is first close the app. This will sync with DoorDash servers and can often resolve temporary display issues. Next, make sure you have stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then refresh the app again. You should also check your delivery history. Tap on earnings and review your recent deliveries to see if the order was recorded correctly. Sometimes the payment may be listed under a completed dash rather than appearing immediately in your balance. If you are using FastPay or direct deposit, keep in mind that transfers can take some time to process depending on your bank and payment method. Another good idea is to update the Dasher app from App Store or Play Store. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app DoorDash. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. If none of these steps work, contact DoorDash Dashers support. Provide the order number, delivery details, and the amount you are missing so they can investigate the issue, and that's it. These are the best ways to fix DoorDash payment not showing up after delivery. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.